Hello YouTubers, Dougie at Oofdog Garage. I'm sitting here looking at this, what used to be this type of, there's the pin, this type of end. And I broke that pin off, but you know, it pretty much looks like that. And so how is that going to interface with something like this? Well, there is a hole here, and that's the key right there. So if you were to use a 440 thread and a little button head, you could slide that in there and put a screw in it. So stand by and we'll assemble it. So there you are, 440 pan head inserted. This clip is worthless. It breaks right off. Can't say much for Bosch regarding that, but the lifetime of these things is just overwhelming. You don't need to get them. Get a new set of wipers every year. Right now I'm getting about probably 8-9 years out of a set of these. These call them Bosch Icon, but they really do work. So there you go. From the pin style, break it off. Just go ahead and transfer, mark that hole, and it goes right through that little plastic hole on the front of these things, and you'll be good to go. So in any event, thanks for watching. This is Dougie at Oofdog Garage signing out. And there she sits. Gonna have windshield wipers. Boy, talk about a going to town rig.